Hi friends, welcome back to Easy Couponing, where we make it easy for you to coupon. Let me go ahead and get started with this week's early activation possibilities. I can't talk today for some reason. Somebody sent me a Pepsi. Y'all know I love my Pepsi. First of all, don't forget to leave those thumbs up so I know that you're enjoying these types of videos. If you don't leave your thumbs up, I have no idea if you like these videos or not. Leave those thumbs up so I could continue bringing you the deals so you don't miss out on any future deals or lives. When I go live too, I do go live on Sundays typically from Walgreens and various other stores if I see a really good deal that I need you all to run to. So make sure you leave those thumbs up. And subscribe if you're new. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you all for joining our savings club, Easy Couponing, here on YouTube. Welcome. So let me go ahead and get started with the deals for this Saturday, 9/10/22, September 10th. These are only good for September 10th. All of the details are already available at easycouponing.info. Easycouponing.info. The link is in the description box and in the first comment. You can't miss it. Click the link and it'll take you straight to the site that I'm going to show you right now. That's our official website. If you visit easycouponing.info, I have various other deals there from Amazon, CVS, Nike, Sam's Club, various other deals that you need to go and check out and see for yourself. There's various deals that you do not want to miss. Visit easycouponing.info. But let me go ahead and get started with the early activation. These are all the possibilities at Walgreens, 9/10/22, September 10th, 2022. Let's make it easy for you to coupon and let's go ahead and get started, friends. Okay, let me go ahead and scroll up and I'll discuss with you what the deals will be. Like I said, for all of the details about what time early activation starts and all of that, go check it all out there. I can't go over everything in this video because otherwise it'll be a really long video. It'll only take you 5 to 10 minutes to go check it out over there and read through it. You'll be an expert after you read through it, okay? Let me go ahead and scroll up. Like I said, if you're lost, do not fret, do not worry. All of the details are there. The left side is in Spanish, the right side is in English. Don't worry, no need to be lost. Check out easycouponing.info where I have all the details for you. Let me go ahead and scroll up to what will possibly qualify this. What will qualify potentially? All right, so these are the Walgreens early activation possibilities brought to you by Equipo Cuponero and Easy Couponing. Let me go ahead and scroll up where the first deal that I want to go over is the Dove deal. Dove Men's Plus Care or Dove, the white Dove or Dove Women's. These are buy three, I have to stress buy three, get $5 back in Walgreens cash rewards. When we buy three at $8, the deal that ends on Saturday night is giving us back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. And the deal that starts Sunday morning is giving us back $5 Walgreens cash rewards. Early activation is a system error that sometimes works, 99.9% of the time works. It could be that it might not work, but we have to try and see Saturday night. For all the details about the times, go to easycouponing.info. Three at $8, that'll equal you $24. If you have a booster for spend 22, get 5, spend 20, get 5, this will be the perfect opportunity to use it if you have that. Otherwise, we're paying $24 out of pocket. I don't have any coupons for Dove products here on my account. Check your account. You may have some coupons available. Make sure you clip them in order for you to use them Saturday night. You'll be getting $10 if early activation works. That's why these are possibilities. Early activation has worked before. If early activation works, you will get $10 back in Walgreens cash rewards. Okay? So that'll be $24 out of pocket. You'll receive $10 back, making each of the products $4.67 each. Remember, you could order these online. I would suggest you order them online if you don't want to go to the store at that late of a day of time, because it is at night. If you don't want to go to the store that late at night, order them online for in-store pickup the next day, or you could simply have them shipped to home or shipped to store. But my suggestion, it worked for me last week. If you remember on the live that I did Sunday, I did early activation that Saturday night. I picked it up Sunday morning and I got all my points back. It worked perfectly. Okay. $4.67 each. If that's what you're interested in, get it this week. If you have the booster for spend 20 or spend 22, get 5, you will be getting this completely free plus a 23-cent money maker. The next ones are going to be even better, so stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Make sure you're leaving those thumbs up so I know that you like these type of videos. Let me scroll up. Don't forget to visit our sponsors while you're there. Doesn't cost you anything and you help me greatly. Thank you to our sponsors for sponsoring this early activation for this week. All right, so the next deal is on the Olay and Old Spice. Let me make it a little bit bigger to make it easier to read. Olay and Old Spice are $7 this week for the deal that ends Saturday night. And the deal that starts Sunday morning will be the same price, $7. For 3, we're going to be paying $21 out of pocket. We do have a $5 off coupon, digital coupon that's available in your Walgreens app. If you have not used it, make sure you clip it or tick it, and use it on this deal. You're going to be paying $16 out of pocket. $16 out of pocket, and you're going to be getting back $10 in Walgreens cash for early activation if everything goes through. You'll be paying $5.33 for each item. Again, you're going to be picking and choosing what you want to get. You need to get 3, or you could get 6, but you got to get them in 3s, right? And I know someone's going to ask, can I pay with points? Please pay close attention. You may pay with points when it says buy. So in this case, when you buy 3, you're getting $5 Walgreens cash rewards. Yes, for this case, you may pay with points or cash rewards. These are just getting better and better. Don't go anywhere. Trust me. You're going to love the last one. Give me a minute. While I scroll up, go ahead and leave that thumbs up. All right. For the next deal, this is going to be a really, really easy freebie plus moneymaker. Again, if you have a booster, do not pay with points. If you do not have a booster or something that says spend 20, get 5, spend 22, get 5, those are the boosters. If you don't have any of those, don't worry. You can still make for an awesome, awesome deal. If you do have a booster, do not pay with points. Here's another early activation possibility. This will be on the Scope, Crest, or Oral-B products. These are going to be free plus a $3 moneymaker if all works out perfectly for early activation. If it does work, let me go ahead and go over the deal. You're going to be picking up 3 of whatever you want to get. Crest, Oral-B, Scope, or Crest with Scope or Oral-B products. Toothbrush, floss, toothpaste, or mouthwash. They're $4 each. When we buy 3, that'll make it $12. We have a $5 off on 3 coupon that's going to attach perfectly to this deal. You'll be paying $7 out of pocket. You may pay with points or cash rewards because the deal states when you buy 3. Again, if you're using a booster, do not pay with points. If you don't have a booster, you don't have anything to worry about. You could pay with points and still earn points. All right, so here's the deal. On Saturday night, we're getting $5 back for buying 3. And on Sunday morning, the deal returns. Buy 3, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. If all goes well and early activation goes through, you'll be getting back $10 in early activation Walgreens cash, making your total, after you pay $7, your total will be free plus a $3 moneymaker. And now for the best deal of all, don't forget to leave those thumbs up so I can continue bringing you these types of videos. Otherwise, I am not going to be bringing you any more videos. Just kidding. I'm still going to be bringing you the deals. But leave your thumbs up, obviously, because I need your help. Just like you're getting my help, I need your help to help my channel grow. And YouTube could see us and push us out to more people. Don't forget to visit Thrive Market. The link is right there. In this post, you're getting $50 free gift and 30% off organic groceries, and they're delivered to your house. What are you waiting for? Thanks, Thrive Market, for sponsoring this portion of the early activation video. All right, this is the best of the best. I love this deal. If you don't do any of the other deals, do this one. This is a Walgreens early activation possibility brought to you by Equipo Cuponero and Easy Couponing. Let's go ahead and go over the deal. This week, for the deal that ends Saturday night, we're spending 20, spend, and I put it in capital letters, spend 20, get $10 back in Walgreens cash rewards. We're going to be earning $10 back in Walgreens cash rewards when we spend 20. I included the pictures here of all of the items that are $11.99 online. The prices in store are much, much higher. Again, the prices in store are much, much higher. I would recommend you do it online to pick up the next day, or if you're worried about not finding product at your store, order it online and get free shipping to home or to store. You could include all of the other deals that I talked about before and make for an awesome, awesome early activation weekend. You're going to be making out with a lot of good products at a very good price. Okay. So this week, spend 20, get 10 Walgreens cash when we buy Nexus products. And it includes shampoo, conditioners, hairsprays. It includes a mousse, whatever you need, treatments, anything. Spend 20, get 10. The deal on Sunday will be also spend 20, get $10 back in Walgreens cash rewards. You're going to be picking up 2 of these products that you see here, pictured here. They're $11.99 each. That will be $23.98 for 2 out of pocket. You cannot pay with points for this deal. Again, you cannot, because this deal states when you spend. We have to spend. If you have any digital coupons here, clip them and use them. I currently do not have any coupons available for Nexus, so I don't have any coupons there. I would pay $23.98 out of pocket. I should be getting back $20 in early activation Walgreens cash rewards, making each of my products $1.99. That's for 2 items, $1.99 each, and you'll be getting 2 items. So that'll be almost 90% off. That's an awesome, awesome deal. I love this deal. If you don't do any of the other ones, do this one, but you could do all of them. If you really, it's up to you. The sky's the limit. You do all of them if you want and have them all shipped to home. That way you'll be getting the best bang for your buck. Just make sure that you're getting double the cash rewards at checkout. If you see only $10 Walgreens cash rewards, early activation is still not active. If you see the $20, then you're good to go. Don't forget to pick up your free 7-piece gift set from Macy's, Estee Lauder on your purchase of $39.50. This gift set is valued at $165. You do not want to miss out on this deal. It's a free 7-piece gift set. With your $39.50 purchase, it is valued at $165. and it's only available at easycouponing.info. Go check it out. So there you have it, friends. These are the early activation, all of the possibilities at Walgreens this Saturday. Go check out all the details at easycouponing.info, how it works, when it works, what time it works, what time you should get started. Add these items to your cart. You could add them all Saturday morning, so you could be nice. You could be ready to go. Otherwise, you're going to be struggling when early activation hits and everybody's trying to do the deal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video so we can help more people save their money. Like. Yes, I do ask for likes because I'm not charging you anything. I could charge, but I choose not to because I want to make sure that everybody gets in on these deals. Leave those thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys. Thank you for so much love. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Leave them all in the comment section down below. And share the video with your friends and family. Don't let them overpay. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.